Do I really need CRM tools for Amazon FBA when Amazon is doing all the hard work? Well, the short answer is yes. Now strap yourself in because here comes the long answer. NetHunt here with an FBA Amazon tutorial. Today we're looking at CRM and Amazon FBA. You know what CRM is, but what is Amazon FBA? Fulfillment by Amazon. But what does it really mean? It's the easy way for how to sell on Amazon for beginners. But does it mean that you can sit back and watch the money roll in whilst Amazon FBA does all the hard work like fulfilling the order, shipping it out, and dealing with angry customers when it all goes wrong? Not quite. I mean, the last part is all true, but you can't sit back. You've got an Amazon seller business to run. As your revenue goes up and you get bogged down, you need to organize your FBA business, not least your suppliers. You need suppliers to sort out all those magical original products you want to sell. But where? Well, you can start with these places and then stop being lazy and start thinking up your own ideas. Visit trade shows. Visit the website of trade shows you cannot attend. Google wholesale suppliers in your local area. Ask fellow traders which suppliers they use. Find out where your favorite products are made. Research local craftspeople for unique, handmade products. That's alright, but you thought this video was about CRM and FBA. What's that got to do with suppliers? Well, funnily enough, customer relationship management systems don't just help you manage your customers. Besides, as an FBA seller, Amazon already does that for you. They can help you keep on top of your growing lists of orders and suppliers too. Let's take a look at some of the non-customer relationship management tasks that a CRM system can do for your FBA business. To organize potential suppliers down a pipeline and show where you are in negotiations, such as if they are a lead, whether they have been contacted, and whether a deal has closed. As a one-stop address book for all your contact information, as well as a full communication history between the two parties for full clarity of contacts between your team. To get on top of profitability data, CRM systems allow you to compare your orders against imported data of sales you've made to understand the profitability of your business. To aggregate all those sales channels you are following. You're not bound to Amazon after all. You can use CRM in a more traditional sense and keep all your data in one single place. You can even create different pipelines for different channels. For the bulk emails and drip campaigns that can help you schedule emails to go out at specific times, making sure you can keep supplier conversations on your terms. For the mobile apps for CRM can help you manage your business on the go, keeping all your data in your pocket. For access to users and rights management. Maybe one day you'll have a team, and this feature helps you give access to the right members of the team as and when they need it. Yeah, and the rest. Top banana, that sounds amazing. But the CRM market is ginormous at the moment. How do you choose which one to implement? Well, if you stopped asking questions, I'd tell you. We've taken 3 different types of Amazon-suitable CRM systems for an FBA spin to see how they fare against each other. Check out these tools for Amazon FBA. NetHunt CRM. That's a Gmail CRM. It lives inside your inbox. Neat little customizable system which you can bend and fit any business you need, never mind your FBA one. FBA sellers can benefit from comprehensive pipeline management, the ability to track multiple marketplaces at the same time with those pipelines, and the segmentation feature that separates different suppliers depending on what they supply. We love productivity, and automated tasks and reminders help you stay focused on exactly what needs doing and when. Meanwhile, the mobile app keeps your business in your pocket at all times. As if that's not enough, you can integrate a heap of different apps to NetHunt via Zapier. Did I say heap? I meant a mountain! There are over 2,000 different integratable apps. And rising. How much does NetHunt CRM cost? Well, after the 14-day free trial, upon initial registration where there's no credit card required, we've got subscription plans starting at $24 a month per user. So get it whilst it's hot. NetHunt is a tough act to follow, but here we go. Vendrive CRM is a dedicated CRM system for Amazon sellers. They promise to help you streamline, stay organized, increase supplier communication, and scale your Amazon FBA business. Vendrive Central Dashboard helps you keep on top of both your suppliers and your products. You can visualize a supplier pipeline, which will help you understand exactly which suppliers you need to reach out to and who you are waiting to hear back from. The product tracker gives comprehensive Amazon product analytics for both your own products and your competitors, with access to price indexes, popularity rank, simulated profit margins, and supplier price. The downside is that Vendrive is a very dedicated Amazon CRM system, so it's limited to its feature ability. For example, it's not yet possible to track other selling avenues that you might be pursuing. You get a 14-day free trial upon initial registration, credit card required, and after that you're looking at $27 per user per month, paid annually. And finally, Brightpearl CRM is a dedicated retail CRM platform. They promise to help you automate and accurately target email marketing and develop a coordinated customer-first approach. Sounds familiar? Brightpearl offers integrations with the different sales channels that you might be using, including eBay, Shopify, and of course Amazon. With this, you can sync all your concurrent inventories and orders in one place to maximize sales potential and eliminate the risk of overselling. All your orders automatically go into the Brightpearl CRM system, including the FBA ones. On top of that, you get more traditional CRM features such as contact timelines, email records, segmentation and tags, and automated reminders to contact suppliers when they've been left out in the cold a little bit too long. How much does Brightpearl CRM cost? Well, tough one for the poor bloke who wrote this script. First, there's no free trial or free version available. And then after that, pricing is on a price-by-quote basis. You'll have to contact Brightpearl to find out more. So good luck with that one. NetHunt. Subscribe, like, comment. Amazon FBA Guide. Over and out.